Today we're featuring a Kia Optima. It's a 2015. All right, it is an LX. It's got 64,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax. All right, silver metallic in color. And I'll go ahead and give you the walk around. Go ahead and make our way down the driver's side of the vehicle. Everything looks really good through here. Let's back up right here. There's a small scratch here. Another scratch here. Okay, real minor. They've been painted over. You can hardly notice them there. All right, it does have 64,000 miles on it. Go ahead and go across the rear of the vehicle. Small little chip there in the paint. All right, real minor. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything looks really good down the passenger side of the vehicle. All right, once again, it does have 64,000 miles on it. It's a 2015. All right, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside of the vehicle. All right, door panel looks like it's in good shape. Got the two dark gray with the light gray. All right, power locks, power windows, gray cloth seating. Go ahead and check the passenger seat here as well. Right, passenger seat's in good shape. Go ahead and take the key out. It does come with a key fob. Okay, automatic, auxiliary, iPod USB port, power outlet. There's your climate controls there. All right, with your CD player. I'll turn that on in a second. It does have steering wheel audio controls, and it is equipped with Bluetooth. It's got your AM, FM CD player. All right, I'll go ahead and give you a shot of the mileage. It's got 64,092 miles. All right. Have the AC going now for about 10 minutes. Everything's blowing cold with the AC. No problems there. All right, let's go ahead and hop out here. We'll take a look at the back seat. Bear with me for a second. I'll slide right out of here. All right, door panel looks good on the back. Cloth in the back seat's in good shape. It does have the center console come down in the back. It's got the cup holders there. Go ahead and take a look in the front. Kind of give you the driver's eye view. Let you see the layout. All right, we'll go ahead and step back here and look at your trunk space. All right, everything's in good shape back here. All right, no issues. Carpet looks good. I'll go ahead and stand to the side. Let you get a picture of the depth. Okay, everything looks good back here. And give you a shot of the passenger seat. Over here on this side, everything looks good. Passenger side door panel is in good shape too. Check out the wheels and tires. Got 17-inch alloys. Brand new set of Bridgestone tires. All right, once again, guys, a 2015 Kia Optima LX. It's got 64,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax. All right, come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thank you for watching the video.